Second on the grid, Winton Motor Speedway in the MX-5. Got my new colour scheme on. Let's see if we can get it scratched or keep it nice and safe.
Green.
And let's see. We've got the pace to go with the leader. But we'll see.
Left side.
Okay, he's giving me space there.
Car right. Still there, hold your line.
Okay, we're being sensible. I've got the lead. Surprised at that. He's been pretty fair, this guy, isn't he? New tyres, cold tyres, so I'm being a bit careful here. No point going off. So I'm keeping it neat and tidy, hopefully. That's the plan. Now, I'm not sure if this is second or first, but I think maybe first. Tyres are coming in now. Hopefully, by the end of this lap, it'll be a bit better.
39.772. Okay, you are the leader.
So I'm leading, that's good.
To go.
We can go a bit quicker around here now, hopefully. And the tyres are getting a bit better. They should close up, I think. But he's gone straight on. For whatever reason. Not sure what happened there. I'm just going to keep it neat and tidy. So I need to be in the 31s if I can. So I've been going around there in second, but I think first is probably better. Nearly. Oh, big crash behind.
Behind.
Oh dear.
32.309.
Not quite in the 31s. Nearly. So it looks like there's a back marker ahead. Someone has obviously had a crash early on. Hopefully they're pretty quick and then I won't have to worry about overtaking them, but you never know. Still keep it neat and tidy if I can.
You got it, slow car on the right.
Oh dear. This could be a problem.
Car right.
Hopefully they're going to let me go.
Keep to the left. Clear.
They are, that's good. We've got someone trying to catch. By the looks of it.
32.778.
Sort of compromised our lap time a little bit, that did.
The car in P3 just set the fastest lap. 32.036.
So the guys behind are going quicker. Nice if we can just stretch out a bit of a gap. I'm not really committed through here because I'm not battling. Could probably go quicker through there if I wanted to. Neat and tidy round Winton, I found. You can take more speed, but you lose out. Let's see if the next lap can be a decent one. Going into there too quick, I think. I can't get on the power. It's costing me time coming out. So a second and a half ahead. Let's see if we can make this a decent lap.
32.329.
Not so good there. Not so good there either. Bloody hell, I'm struggling a bit here. Struggling to put a good lap together. I think it's because I'm not really pushing, or haven't been. I think I need to push now because this guy's closed up. So let's get going.
5 minutes to go.
Whilst keeping it neat and tidy. So yeah, very bad lap this one. Let's see what we can do.
491.
A little bit better. Bit slow still through there. He's quicker than there through me. Quicker there than me, I meant. The danger here that I won't win. He's hassling me.
32.825.
Okay, let's try a fast lap if we can. be a bit more committed this time. It's right with me, isn't he? Got away there a little bit though.
One more lap to win.
Well, that was a good lap to get away from him, wasn't it?
.543.
Maybe coming down another gear does help. He's still there, isn't he? How committed is he going to be? You think neat and tidy is the way to go? Just enough, I think. A bit tighter than I wanted it to be.
You got a slow car on the right. Go left.
Okay.
Right side. Clear on.
Was that the guy that was on pole? Haven't we done it though? Yeah, done it. New livery and a win.
You won.
Yeah, I think second is better through there, isn't it? Okay, well, let's come off, have a look at the incidents and look at the results. Okay, it's a start then. So I think we were very respectful. Let's just have a quick look at that. So I got a good getaway. I mean, pole didn't look like they had much of an advantage, did they really? Yeah, and he obviously gave me a bit of room. And as we came through this bit, I went a bit slow and he came up the inside. And again, we gave each other room. But he didn't want to commit, did he? So, I mean, that was it. We got the lead there. I thought he was going to come back here, but no. That was it. That was it. And then I'm not quite sure what happened to him. Anyway, let's have a look at the incidents. So what have we got here then? This is just going to be... I mean, I don't know. I don't know how you end up doing that. But anyway, so long line of cars. Oh, he just got his braking wrong, unfortunately for him. And I mean, that was a lovely... Oh, gosh, unlucky. That was a lovely move and just caught the wheels. Sort of like an open wheeler crash, that was. In car one. Hey, nearly held it. Big crash. Oh, and unlucky for the guys behind. I mean, that took out quite a few people. Oh! Oh, dear. Oh, dear. Yeah, that was not good. Not good. And that was he the guy on pole? He's all over the place. Oh, dear. Yeah, not sure what happened there. Well, interesting. Interesting. Let's look at the results, see what it did for us. Okay, then. So that was second split out of 9. We've got a nice bit of safety rating and a nice bit of high rating. So that's good. Getting up there a little bit. Wasn't particularly quick. I think I didn't push enough at the start and then was getting harassed at the end. So I never really got into a good fast rhythm. But anyway, happy with that. Happy to take away the win. Like the new car colour scheme. Comment if you like it as well. Hopefully you do. And If you do like this sort of thing, then do stick around, hit that like, hit subscribe, tell your friends, maybe. I'll see you next time at the track.